What's up, guys? Am I live? Oh, it's not 1:30 yet. Is that what it is? I don't know. That thing crazy, man. Anyway, showing me that we're live. I hope we're live. Give me a like if anyone's there. All right, we're gonna go look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks like it's getting ready for a buy. I'm just wanting to see it retrace. I want to see it push up and retrace. And then I'm using a new indicator. Guys, I've been testing it for a week or two, and I like the way it works. Simple. And I've been making money with it. So what's not to like, right, guys? All right, take that off. I'll wait for it to give me a signal. Let me go to the 1 minute. How you guys been, man? Everything good? I hope so. We're gonna do a quick scalp here, guys. TP1 is gonna be right here. That's 30 pips or 20, 28 pips. Figure 25. Be safe. And if it keeps going, every day we're looking for 30 to 60 pips. 20. If I get 20, I might get out. If I take 2 losses, I'm done for the day. And that's another 30 right there. So you're looking at 58 pips, 55, say, depending where you get in for the whole trade, the whole move. Let's see if it pulls back. Let's see if I'm up. Oh, yeah, I'm up nice already. Perfect. When it gets to here, I'll be closing like 75% of the trade. That's 30 pips. That's fine. Or 25, whatever it was when I measured it. But yeah. I'm gonna start streaming in the afternoon. I got too much to do in the morning, guys. It's not easy for me in the morning. And then I don't sleep good, and the kids are bothering me. I got 5 kids, although they're all grown. I have 2 that are disabled that live with me. I have to take care of them. 2 that I adopted. But I don't know. This is just a better time for me. We'll see how it goes, you know. You can see here the indicator gave me a signal. It's right here. And basically, this is a 9 and a 20 SMA. So I'm just using those. And of course, I use my fair value gap indicator. I always use that. This looks like it's getting ready to reverse, maybe. But I should come up to that fair value gap at least. Okay, here it comes now. So I'm going to get ready to take parcels. Okay, I'm closing some of the trade now, guys. Okay. I will see. I left a small runner. You guys are welcome to take all the profit. It's not a bad idea. 30 pips for the day. If you can make 30 pips every day, guys, right, you'd be a millionaire. If you could guarantee 30 pips a day, there's no problem if you want to take all your profit, man. No shame in the game of winning. But I left a little runner. I do feel it's going to come back up to here, this supply area. You know, I leave it a little shorter there. Just for the heck of it. Just because I'd rather it definitely hit than almost hit, you know? Let me see what US 30 is doing. Anyway, we got a win already. First win on the new time zone. Can you guys see me, man? I don't know why it's not showing on my Oh, okay, there I am. I am live. I think I am. Oh, okay, there I am. All right. Guys, give me a like, please, if anyone's there. Let me know if you can hear me. We just took a win already. I don't know if you guys saw it. But we're still in the trade. I got a runner. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, that's US 30. That's why. There we go. So waiting to see if I get the whole trade. If it breaks back below this green line, I'll close full. But I think it's going to go up. I'm not going to let it take any money back, you know? These bastages, bankers, these... I'm only kidding, guys. Anyway, that was good to get my first win, my first stream at 1:30, you know? So that was quick. But anyway, like I was saying, I entered here. I got the buy signal. I've been trying out this new indicator, man. I like it. It's simple. And I just add my little touch to it. You know, I got to be near a zone, an important zone. And then if it gives me the signal, I'm in. I get in sometimes even if I don't get the signal, if I think it's going to go up. But it's another confirmation. And it uses this 9 SMA. It gives you the signal when you cross. If you go back and back test this thing, let me see what's the name of this thing. It's the SMA 950, and it says buy, sell. Let me see if I can find it in the indicators. This is it here. It's by M. Phillips, VZW. Okay? And I don't know, I found this. I just was looking for an SMA, and I put this on, and it had these signals. I didn't even know it had these signals. And what the deal is you take the signal, you know, you don't just take signals just to take signals. You know, it has to be in an area you like and blah, blah, blah. And then you just follow it up. As long as it stays above, if you're buying the 9 SMA, you hold the trade. You know, that's the rules that, you know, you could close anytime you want. You know, you got your own rules. But I got my own rules. But that's their rules. But I like it, man. It's been pretty accurate. I put it on the chart and backtest it. And you'll see what I mean, man. And I also use the fair value gap. Okay, Lux Algo fair value gap. Oh, I also use Fluid Trades SMC Light. That gives me these zones. I used to draw these in, but this is pretty damn accurate. I like this thing, man. And it's the free version, guys. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I don't need the paid one. I don't know what the paid one does. But this is good enough for me, man. It just throws these on here for me. It gives me a target. So it's those three indicators. Okay, Lux Algo, fair value gap, SMA 9, 50, 180. I turned off the 181. I just used I changed the 50 to 20. You could do that in here. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm using the 180. Let me see if I changed it. Hold on. Yeah, I'm still using it. I use it for let me show you. You know what you use that for? I should make it 200. But for direction. You know. Also for direction, if I want to see which way the market's going. Like this will tell you pretty much which way the trend is a lot of times. I use it just for that. And I use this one too. Kind of big, but it's trending down slightly. You know, that's the linear channel. I like that too because it puts, if you look at it, it puts the whole move in so you can see the top and bottom of the range too. It's just a cool tool. That's all. No big deal. Just something to keep me busy while I'm waiting for the chart to do what I want. All right, so we're up now. We're almost at our target here. So those are the those are the indicators I use, guys. Right now. I mean, I'm always trying out new stuff, but this has been working for me now for like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna stick with it. Look at this. It puts you in the see the cell? It puts you in all the way up here. Now you could have exited here or you could have held. I probably would have held here and waited for the next candle at least to see which way the next candle's going. And then you see it gave you a sell signal again. And right here give you the buy. So I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm getting ready to get out of this trade, guys. See where we're at. Just need one more push up and I'm out. Guys, if you did, give me a like. I need some viewers. I need some likes on these videos, man. I'm not getting any traction, man. I'm going to start putting my beautiful face on here, man. But I don't want all the ladies to come in at once, All right, I'll go back to the chart. Now you see if it breaks below that 9, I'll probably close the trade. Because, I mean, I'm up 75%. Let me see. It's like 28 pips. Right there. That's 50 pips right there. I mean, that's a day's pay right there, my friends. If it comes up here, it's rejecting off this fair value gap here. But I just want to see if it can push up here. If it pushes through here, it could go up. I mean, it could come up to here, in this area. That'd be a nice little extra. That's a nice little extra, man. Nice little cherry on top. So I'm just gonna give it time. I already took profit. Move my stop loss. Actually, I'm managing the trade now, so I don't know why this thing always gives me a problem. Alright, so this is a risk-free trade, guys. I mean, my stop loss now, if I see this thing come below this green line, I'm closing. I may even close now if it comes below here. Now, probably, if it breaks this red line, I'm closing, man. If I get a sell signal, I'm out. That's a decision. See how I just debated myself? I had a little debate with myself, and I decided I'll close when it gives me a sell. It's a democracy here, we all, me, myself, and I, we have to debate it out and come to terms. Anyway, I still got hope it's going to break through that supply area. cloudy out today. I don't know where you guys located. I'm down in Florida, man. Like South Central Florida. I'm not in Miami. I'm not driving a Lambo. I'm just in South Central Florida, man. Loving the weather down here. I actually got my quota of pips for the day. I'll hang out a little bit. I'll see how this trade closes up. And if I see something right away, we'll grab another trade maybe. But I'm very weary of giving these guys back my money. Once I make a day's pay, man, I usually take it and run, you know. Go for a nice walk or go fishing. One thing about Florida, this area, man, there's a ton of lakes here, man. If you like to fish, man, this is the spot. You know, I'm not near the ocean. I'm in the middle, but I mean, I'm an hour from the ocean, but I mean, there's a ton of lakes here, man. My goodness. I gotta get me some jet skis before I get too old. Hey, Eva. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna be the new time I stream, man. 1:30. I may move it to 1 or we'll see how it goes. But right now it's 1:30. It's gonna be afternoon from now on, I think. It's just easier for me, man, with my schedule. I had a pretty good day. I did trade a little this morning, man. I had a couple of wins. I had a nice sell on NASDAQ earlier. I took the thing down. I don't like to leave these on the chart, man. They get me confused sometimes, you know. I just get rid of them. What's gold doing today? Looks like it's going up. Yep. Look where I put you in on this buy right here. Crazy. Took it, you wrote. You could have got out here. You could have got out here. You probably would have exited here because you already made a nice profit. But if you stayed in, you could still be in this trade, actually. You know, you can make your own rule, you know, 2 candles have to close below. It depends, you know. So, I mean, you know, you don't have to do exactly the way anybody wants you to do it. You know, you make your own set of rules, you know. Oil's coming up. And you see, it gave a sell signal here. That was a loser. I wouldn't have been selling here because you're too close to this area, you know? If I got a buy signal right around here, I would have got in over here probably because we were rejecting off this, this area. Like up here now, I'll wait till it gets up here. It gave you a sell signal here. To see what happens. I would have probably rather it be up a little higher. But I mean, that's not a bad entry. It's not a terrible entry, If it goes down, it could come up and still break this area. But NAS is consolidating now. Now sometimes you see a signal flash on here, but you got to wait for the candle to close because if the candle pulls back up, it'll disappear, or back down, or vice versa. You don't want to buy or sell signal. Any of you guys in tight necks, man? Man, I got a ton of tight necks coins. I minted coins on there. One of the mints is ending today. I don't know if that's going to be a good project, but I kind of like it, and I like that the owner, the guy that created it, is all over YouTube. He's out front and center answering questions. It's not some anonymous, thing. And there's already people building on the platforms. Looks like it might be a winner, man. I got in pretty early on. I got in at day like 28 or 30. Right around there. All right, looks like NAS is going to make a move here. Let's go, baby. Break through that the supply. Break through that supply zone, NAS. It actually came like a pip away from my original take profit. I'm going to let it run here. I'm just going to close manually. If you use the original take profit, you probably would have got taken out. You would have got closed right there. It just slammed it and came back down. So I hit full take profit. But I think it's going to break through. But don't, if you want to close full right there, guys, go ahead, man. Nothing wrong with that. It's like 60 pips. A nice day's pay, man. Ah, looks like it might break through our supply zone, guys. All right, let me call the boat guy and see what he's got in stock. There it is, man. I want a boat with 2 propellers. Uh, yeah, I'm in this trade now, so I see a sell signal. But yeah, that's nice, man. That's a nice profit. Let me see what I got going here. Sweet. Sweet. Oh yeah, we broke through. Where we headed, man? We gotta watch this fair value gap. Right, it could bounce off there. This one right here. If it makes it past this area, it's coming up to here. We put a line there. I'll be right back, guys. What did I miss? All right. Look at that support right there. Anybody in this trade or what, man? It's a banger, man. Damn, hope you guys didn't miss it. I'm gonna move the thing up. What is that? Let me put the thing back if it'll let me. I don't want to mess with it. I want to move it. Tell you the truth, I don't like these wicks, but did it here too, and it went up. See all these wicks? I was thinking about that when it happened, but it never dropped. So let's see if it does the same thing. Like I said, man, I'm up probably 70 pips now. So if I get a sell signal, I'm out. I can always regroup and get back in when I see a good moment, you know. But I'm hoping it comes up to here now. I only have 25% of my original lot still open anyway, so. But I'm making money, man. Getting ready to order that boat. Yeah, let me get a boat, man. 3 propellers. You guys don't remember that show, man. You guys are all too young. What was it, that show? Underneath the Honeymooners. Show was great. Man, I feel better in the afternoon too. In the morning when I wake up here, for some reason, I have like an allergy every morning. Can't breathe. My nose is all messed up. This time of day, it's like gone already. Come on, baby, let's go. Uh-oh. We need the rocking music, man. Where's the Rocky music? Where are you, Rocky? I don't see it. Oh, there we go. Come on, Naz, push up. Let's go, baby. Come on, Rock. Let's go, baby. As soon as I put that on, it started flying. You notice that? Damn. That worked like a champ, man. That worked like a champ. My goodness. Look at that. Should I close there? Guys, should we close when it hits there or what? Or should we hold to see if it's going up? Decisions. My goodness, man. I made a nice day's pay today, guys. I'm not selling until it tells me to sell. I'm not closing until it tells me to sell. Look how it rode up that 9, man. Beautiful. Look at that, man. I love the strategy. It's so simple, man. My rules, I got my own rules. If I take 2 losses, I'm done for the day. Oh, man, it blew right through there, man. I love it. Where are we going? Let's see where we're headed. Oh, my goodness. We could come right here. I'm going to say right there's the next stop on this train, man. There's the next stop. All aboard to the next stop. Come on, man. Don't stop now, man. Let's go, baby. Come on, Rock. You can do it. Uh-oh, didn't work that time. Today Go showed up and said, I will break you. Damn, this is all gravy for me, man. I hope you guys got in this trade. Coming back for a little retest. It may come down and retest this fair value gap. If it goes much further than that, you know, I have to consider closing. But right now I'm looking to close up here. That's my next spot of decision making. I already decided, man. If it gets there, it can go higher, right? Man, we left that SMA behind. Love that, man. Love when that happens. Yeah, I made a nice little profit today, man. I've been kicking Nas's butt all day, man. I took a nice sell this morning. Now, nice buy. It's a beautiful thing, man. Yeah, get out of there, man. Boom, let's go. There it goes. Come on, you. I didn't say that. Yeah, you guys got any crypto, man? I got a little Ethereum, just a little. I got a lot of SHIB. I don't know what's going on with that. I got a lot of HBAR, which I love HBAR, man. HBAR is underrated, man. When that thing goes to $1, look at this thing, man. Right up to our zone. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me get back on the 15-minute here and see where we're headed next. Man, it's got to come here. And then if it's going, it's still going up to there. My goodness, man. Next stop. Then after that, next stop. Probably more likely I put it right in the middle of this. But at least to here. Well, let's see. It's got to get past here first, right? But I like the way it came right there, man. Touched it. Came right there and touched it. There it goes. There you go, Eva. I'm gonna buy you a nice big bone today, man. Hook you up. My dog Eva. She watches me. She hangs out and watches me trade. She likes to laugh at me acting a fool when I win. Right, Eva? Oh, come on. Don't do this, man. Keep going. There you go. If it closes through this fair value gap, I'm not talking about just coming down, wicking through, and coming back up. If it closes below it, that's another rule of mine. I close the trade. That means it disrespected that fair value gap. It's probably going the other way. So I'm out. Especially when I'm up like this. I mean, I'm up a lot of pips on this trade, you know. I don't want to give them back for nothing, you know. See where we're at here. Up to where it went to the top. Damn, that was 107 pips. Figure 100 pips, depending on where you got in. That's 100 pips, man. I was up. I didn't close up there though, so I'm not up 100 pips. But another fair value gap just formed. Oh no, it's breaking through that one. Let's see if it gives me a sell signal here. Still really, I mean, after a week and a half, 2 weeks of using this indicator, it's still new to me, you know. I mean, it's so this way of trading is so simple, man. You know, we'll see how it works. I mean, I'm not bragging on it yet, but I like it so far. But I mean, I could definitely see this being profitable, you know, if you add your own thing to it, like your Monera zone, you know, you can use it like one of your main confluences, you know. For me, I would have to be right near, you know, I have to be near a supply or demand zone. Like right here, this buy signal seemed right because we just bounced right off this demand zone. I got the signal. We were above the 9 when it, you know, when it gave the signal. So I jumped in, you know. Now I didn't jump in here because I was still coming on the stream. I got in over here somewhere. I saw as soon as I opened the computer, I saw it was set up. It had already had the signal and it was setting up nice, so I jumped in. You know, you could actually take a buy here. I mean, I'm not going to do it because obviously I'm already in a buy. But I would say like at the break of this high here, the break of this candle. Like there's a sell. It's giving me a sell signal, guys. So if this candle closes and that sell signal is still lit, I'm closing the trade. See it? Okay, close. So I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm going to regroup. There it is. I just closed. I'll just wait now, see what it does. I can always get in again or It gave me the signal because it crossed below the, it was like a full body below the 9 SMA. So it told me to sell. So I'm gonna wait now, see what happens. I think it's gonna go up more. I wouldn't take this signal unless I was closer to up here to the supply, or I saw another reason to take it, you know. But you know. Anyway, that was a nice trade, man. I hope somebody caught that besides me. My goodness, that was a nice trade. I gotta take a screenshot of that baby. Get a good screenshot. Yeah, you actually could take a buy here. It gave you the buy signal too. I'm not going to get in, but you could get in this right here. Take it right to here, you know. Something like that. That's a 1.5 to 1. Nice little trade. See if it plays out. I'm not in this, guys, so I'm just showing you an idea here. Because it just gave me the buy signal. We're above the 9 SMA again. I already had a nice trade for the day, so I'm not. Look at this, man. It's going right to the TP. My goodness. I hope somebody took that. I would move this to break even now. Take a little money right here, maybe. Let it go. See what happens. Nice little win there, guys. Take some profit right at that green line. Even if it's just 25%, 50%, put something in your bank, man. Put something in your books. Let the less ride. Move your stop loss to break even so it's risk-free. That's it, man. That's how you get these guys, man. Man, I feel like I should have got in this trade. That's the way it goes, man. You can't. There's so many trades. There's a million trades a day on this chart. Depending, everybody sees it different, you know. Like this indicator here. I'm not making a big deal out of this indicator. I'm not trying to promote it or anything. There's nothing to promote. It's just a free indicator on TradingView. I was just looking for a 9 SMA. And I saw this one and I put it on the chart. And then, you know, I was just messing around with it. And then I noticed it was giving me signals. I didn't even know that when I put it on. I didn't know it was going to start giving me signals. So I started paying attention to them and backtesting them. And damn, if most of them weren't right. I mean, you know, of course, you're not going to win every trade, you know. But man, it's the best little free indicator I've ever seen. If you add your own rules to it, you could really make a living just with this little indicator. We might be at the top there. It may come back now and just bounce off this fair value gap here. Or it may come down or it may go up. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm not a guru. But yeah, this last year, man, I've only been trading like 3 years, maybe a little more. But last year I was profitable, man, for the first time, man. You know, I'm retired, so I got plenty of time. I mean, I studied this first, especially the first year, man. I put so much chart time in, and you're never gonna get profitable. You know, I mean, I think everybody goes through the same thing, man. You got to put a lot of chart time in. You're gonna follow a bunch of guys. You're gonna find something that you think's gonna work, and then a month later you're not gonna do it anymore, and you're gonna find something else. You're gonna try that. You're gonna find something else. It's just a process, I think you just take a piece of everything that you've been through, and I probably blew, man. I don't know, 10, 15 accounts, but I always just funded $100 accounts, and I would trade 10, 20, 30 cent lots, just practicing. I tried to do the fake account. I forget what they call it. I'm a loss for one. Fumbling over my words here. But I tried to do that. I couldn't do it, man. I had no skin in the game. It was like, even when I was doing $100 account, I hardly cared. It was like a slot machine. I was taking 15, 20 trades a day sometimes. Crazy, man. Just craziness. And then one day, man, I had grown this account, from $100 to something, and I blew the account. I had it up to like a few $100, and I blew the account. I took a gold trade. I remember I took a gold trade. I didn't put a stop loss, and then I was hedging it on the way down. Eventually, I just blew the account. Not hedging it. I was taking more positions. And it was right then, man, a light bulb went off. I knew exactly what I was doing wrong. It's like I had a moment of clarity, man, Now, I'm not getting rich off this or nothing yet. But since that day, man, it's like I made a decision that I was going to be profitable. Like I made a firm decision in my mind. And that's when it changed for me, man. I started being profitable. It's strange, man. You probably already know how to be profitable, man. You're just not, for some reason we don't take it serious enough. Like this is a job, man. This is, if you want to quit your job, man, leave make this make a full-time income. You don't want to do it full-time, but you want to make a full-time income. And you got to get real serious about it, man. It's not a joke, man. These guys will take your money, man. They don't care. And you got to be willing to take a loss too, man. You got to trade like a Vulcan. Look at this trade, man. My goodness, I should have stayed in this thing. Look at that second trade played out, man. Where are we going now? Let me see where we're going here. Wow, there's nothing left up here, man. We're in new territory. Let me go to the 2 hour. Are we above this already? Look at that. We're right there already. This is going to reverse soon, man. Let me get ready here. That's the daily. So it hasn't been up here in a minute, man. I'm looking for a pullback here, guys. I would get out of here, man. If I was you guys. If you're in this, I would get out. I would think about getting out anyway. You know? I'm gonna take if it gives me a sell signal here, because we're at a nice this is a nice supply zone. It gave me the other indicator gave me. Um I'm gonna take a small lot sell because I already got a win for the day. I got a nice win. I'm not looking to give that back, but I'm gonna take a nice small lot sell and write it down. And I'll shoot for like, well, we'll see. Let's see what happens here. I don't want to put my the cart before the horse here. Let me get ready. Man, this thing is real bullish though. I don't even know if a sell is a good idea, man. It's really, look at this, man. We got in all the way down here. Look at this trade, man. Holy crap, man. You see this sell signal here? You see it? Let me put it over here in the white. But I was already out. And then I ignored this one, but I called this trade here to get in here. But I didn't have it going that high. I had it going to this green line. Man, that's two nice trades, man. But if you stayed in for the whole thing, man, that's what I was getting at a minute ago. Lost my train of thought. But look at that move, man. My goodness. I could still go up. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're in an area that I think it's all time high, or at least where we haven't been a long time. Okay, it just gave me a sell signal. Guys, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. And if it looks good, I'm gonna enter. I'm entering with a small lot here, guys, because I already got a nice win. Okay, the sell signal went away. Let's see what happens. All right, it's back. The candle should be closing any second. Okay, I'm gonna enter a small lot. I'm in. Let's see what happens now. Let me put a thing here. Short position. I'll put it over here so it's not overlapping that one. Okay, that's a 2-to-1 right there. I'll see what happens. Uh-oh. I don't like it. All right, maybe it just came back to get a little more juice to push down. It's okay so far, man. But I need to break through this fair value gap here. See what gold's doing quick. All right, gold is consolidating. Oil came back down. Oil made a nice move today, though, too. You know, look at that. Come on, Naz. You know you got to pull back. Let me see something. Put the fib on it. Now we're coming back to break even. So if you have any doubts and you want to get out, now's your chance. All right, let's see what happens. I still think it's good. I still think it looks okay. I don't see any problems. I'd like to see it close below this fair value gap with a closure, not just a wick. I don't feel better. Okay, it popped through. Let's see if it can hold. Nope. Come on. There you go. Well, nope, didn't close. It didn't close. Maybe this candle can do it. Make this a little bigger. You guys can see. You guys see that? Okay, it hasn't given me a buy indication yet. The sell signal is still there. There's no buy signal. I wouldn't close it just because of a buy signal now though on this. Because we're in an area where I would be looking for sells. You know? I don't just do whatever this thing tells me, you know? But I would close, like I said, if it violates this supply area, I'll probably close. Okay, we broke through that fair value gap again, but can we hold it? Can we close below it? If we can close below it, that's good. That's a good sign. All right, good. Here we come. Now, if you guys want to get out, you don't think it's going down, now's the time to close. You should be in a little profit, at least break even. I'm going to hold it. Still got my sell signal. Still feeling good. I'm below both SMAs now. So I'm feeling good about it, man. I may not take it all the way because I had a nice win, couple of nice wins today already. So I may just close at a 1-to-1. This whole thing is a 2-to-1. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take half. How much is that? 17. So 35 is what? 33. I'm going to close right here at half. Right around there. If it gets close to there, I'm out. I may close full. That's more than a 1-to-1. Let me put an exact 1-to-1. What is that? Where I put that? That's a 1-to-1 right there. So I'm going to close right there, guys, and I'm done for the day. Matter of fact, I'm not going to let it go. I'm going to put my stop to break even right now. You guys don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Okay, my stop's at break even. I'm not going to let it go negative. Oh, I got to sneeze. God bless me. Okay, I'm up already. Wow, I'm up like 10 pips. That's a beautiful thing, man. Keep going, baby. Yeah, that whole move is 17 pips. Oh, yeah, it's going to hit, guys. Feel free to close. You should be up about 15 pips now. Well, not now, but a minute ago. Oh, man, oh, some of my allergies back. All right, I know what to do, man. I think it needs a little help coming down, man. What do you guys think? Ugh. Don't you dare go up there. Come on, baby, let's go. There we go. Come on, Rock. Da-na-na. Come on, baby. Yeah. I love it. I'm out, guys. I am out. Boom. Shakalaka. That was cool, man. Fucking Rocky music did it again, man. Love it, baby. Anybody still in it? It might come all the way down. It might come down to here. I would say the next spot would be like right here. If you're still in and you're looking for a target, I would put it like right here. But I'm not in. You could use this as a target. You know. But man, what a day, guys. That was a freaking winner, baby. This is my lucky time to come live, I guess, man. 1:30. Give me a like, man. Anybody there? Nobody even saw that, man. What a shame, man. My goodness, what a shame. All right, anyway, guys, that's it for me for the day. I'm out, man. It took a little over an hour, man, to get 3 bangers. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. God bless you guys, man. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe. Stay blessed. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.